Oo.
Hi guys!
Hindi,
Today we're
mukha ko
opening
ito. Yun ay bebenta rin naman namin yun.
roll.
Sa amin nga, ilang kahon to siguro may mga 10 kahon. Kapote, bota. Yung bota niya kumuha, lalaki. Pero kung bota ay maliit, may maliit. Yung lalaki maris. Ang ganda pa ng bota. Ano, may bakal dito.
It's one of the cotton
Anong safety
candies.
system yung
There's
bota.
a green one.
Kapote. Kapote sila kumuha ko.
There's more.
Ba't kumuha ka ba ni
Here, there,
Leores, may pangalan sa ta.
more. There's a lot of stuff here. Here's a big one. And that's all.
Matapang, suave taste of success.
What is this?
Sila kumuha sila.
It's a sticker.
Bota sana eh, kaso ang lalaki na.
Okay.
Malaki pa kayo ang paa ng bota. Malaki, kaya lang ano, pang ano yun eh, pang pag maghahalo.
I just got this in water. I check.
Kulay orange.
Let it dry. And it's ready to go. The stick. This is so cute.
Meron kasing bota. Meron kasing sapatos ganito pag may medyas kamaris. Pag mga kalahating araw lang, masakit na paa.
Let me stick it in the table.
Yung makapagpong medyas na ito.
Here's the cotton candy. It's sticker vibe. Stick it right here. Oh! Wait, there's a... Alright. There's something. Nah, just the same. Now let's open this.
Investigahan nyo nga yung statue dun sa Rosa.
This is
Mag-report kayo
just
sa akin bukas. Yes, sir. Okay. Good afternoon, Major Domingo, sir. I was told about the
Di ba si Owen may issue ng ganda ng
lion.
pagkain? 1,000 Maris.
It's not an accident, sir.
1,000. Eh, magkano lang to? 700 lang.
Anak daw ng
Kaya sa Fortune King, ano, 700. Kung puro mo sa tatak.
that there was a hostage situation. Yes, sir. Pero na-trace
Bye, guys.
Half cheese
Now
20 Omed.
this is
Every
the
whole shoe.
reveal.
Pero may incidente sa
Ay, Gabriela.
Ta-da!
at gasos sa
Gabriela.
Bye, guys.
Anong wish mo sa Pascal?
Is it?
Aba, tinatanong kita.